I'm Frank Mesa. I'm going to show you the proper way to install and remove a Wago card. A couple procedures before you need to remove the Wago card. So we'll go with those procedures right now. First step is removing the hot wire. You want to make sure you get the screwdriver, remove the hot wire. Make sure that doesn't touch anything. In this case, it was 2 of them. And we can see here there's no power on it. When it comes to the Wago card, you need it removed. You'll pull this orange tab first. Grab a hold of the orange tab. Pull out the orange tab until you get 2 fingers on the top side of it and remove your Wago card. When the Wago card goes back in, you make sure your rails are lined up. Push your Wago card in. You'll feel a little snap in there. Come back. Reinstall your power wires. Make sure they set right. Your link and your communication should start blinking green again. Let you know you have good communication. If the Wago card was not set right, you'll have a fault on your Wago communication.